Arc length. Arc length is the length of the intercepted arc of a circle, which may also be called the distance between 2 points on a circle. Use this formula for finding the distance between 2 points on a circle. So we'll call this distance S. So we can use this formula, S equals the radius times the angle in radians, theta. So if we want to find that distance, we can if we know the length of the radius of our circle and the angle in radians. Just have to plug it in and simplify. Here's an example. Example 2. The radius of a wheel is 20 inches. It turns through an angle of 2.75 radians. What is the distance a point travels on the surface of the wheel? So we're trying to find S given the radius r and the angle theta in radians. We can use this formula, S equals r theta, to find that arc length distance that the point travels on the surface of the wheel. We're finding the distance between 2 points. So we'll plug in the radius, 20 inches, and the angle, 2.75, into this formula, S equals r theta. Plugging those in for radius and theta, we multiply and we find that distance, that arc length S, which is 55 inches. Then we can round our answer according to the rules for working with measurements. So with rules working with measurements, when we multiplied, we had to round the answer to the same accuracy as the least accurate measurement. In this case, both measurements have 3 significant digits, so the least accurate measurement would be 3 significant digits. So we'd round this answer to 3 significant digits so that it has the same accuracy as the least accurate measurement. Note, if theta had been given in degrees instead of radians, it would have been necessary to convert it to radians before using it to find S. So theta, keep in mind, has to be in radians when you're using this formula for calculating distance. So if we had been given a degree measure for our angle, we would have had to convert it to radians first, then use this formula to find the distance.